Hello, everyone. Welcome back to day 5 of my Go Live challenge. For those joining me for the first time, I'm Corazon Rivera. I'm a wife, a proud mom of three amazing kids, and originally from the Philippines. Ngayon, nakatira kami dito sa Alberta, Canada with my family. I work as a part-time as postal clerk and cashier and also a digital entrepreneur. So medyo late din ng gabi kasi this night is a busy day. Katatapos lang ng Christmas concert ng bunso namin, then kadet ng dalawang bata, kaya gabi na kami nakauwi. Kumain at tinapos muna ang gawaing bahay and here I am, magkapagkwentuhan mo muna sa inyo bago matulog. So, once again, good evening sa aming side of this world. Good morning sa ibang bansa. Good afternoon. Saan mang sulok ng mundo, sa anumang time zone nyo, magandang buhay. So, I want to share my journey. So, my journey hasn't been without its challenges, but one thing that has kept me grounded and hopeful is the practice of gratitude. Kaya tonight, gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo kung paano nag-transform ang buhay ko because of it. I want to start my sharing my own gratitude. So, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa aking pamilya. My loving husband and my three kids who inspire me every single day. So they are the reason I work hard and strive for a better future. I'm deeply grateful for my mom who helped me to take care of my kids when I was juggling multiple jobs just to make ends meet. Grateful din ako sa opportunity to start my digital business. This has been a life-changing journey for me. It's an unaffordable and proven system that allows me to build an online business. Even without prior experience, it operates 24/7, has step by step video training, and gives me flexibility to work part time or full time, anytime, anywhere with internet connection with my cell phone or laptop. To my mentor, coach, accountability partners, coaches, leaders, and my sisters in the business, and the team, and all the leaders and the members of our community. Maraming salamat po. Your guidance and encouragements have not only helped me understand the business but also allowed me to discover my true purpose. Hindi lang ito negosyo, it's a platform for personal and professional growth. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Of course, I'm also thankful for my extended family, relatives, friends, managers, co-workers, and supporters who continue to cheer me on. Your encouragement means so much to me, and I wouldn't be here without your support. Thank you very much. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a mindset that can truly change the way you see the world. Alam ko hindi madaling magpasalamat kapag ang daming problema. Pero kapag natutunan mong mag-focus sa blessing, your perspective shifts. So, here's what I've realized. Gratitude brings clarity. Sa gitna ng chaos, it reminds us what really matters. So, isipin natin, maraming problema sa mundong ito. Some are people, some have no work, some have no house, but maswerte pa rin tayo dahil meron tayong tirahan, meron tayong kinakain. So, it's a gratitude that really reminds us that ito yung nandyan. So, dapat ito yung dapat nating pagsalamatan. It builds resilience. Kapag naaalala mo ang dami mong blessing, mas magiging matatag ka sa pagharap ng hamon. It spreads positivity. A grateful heart shines and people are drawn to the light. So, practicing gratitude isn't about ignoring problems, it's about choosing to focus on good despite the challenges. When you start each day with grateful heart, you find even the simplest things that can brings joy and hope. So, so I love to hear from you. Ano mga bagay na ipinagpapasalamat mo ngayong araw? Comment below and let's celebrate our blessing together. If you feel overwhelmed, here's a tip. Try writing down three things you're thankful for before you go to bed. It's a simple practice that has made a huge difference in my life. So, once again, thank you for joining me tonight and allowing me to share my gratitude journey with you. Tomorrow is another day to thank for, and day 6 of our Go Live. Don't miss it. See you again tomorrow. Bye for now, and remember to always count your blessing. Have a good night.